At first, we'll prepare revaluation account. It's an account through which you can show the loss on decrease in asset and increase in liabilities and gain by increase in asset and decrease in liabilities, right? If we have any unrecorded asset, we'll do transfer at credit side, and unrecorded liability, we'll do debit. After that, find out the balance. Debit balance will be known as profit, and here we'll get loss. Close it and transfer it to partners capital account. In there, which ratio? Yes, old ratio. Good, in old ratio. Then second step, step 1 revaluation, step 2 partners capital account. Right, just draw partners capital account. Says particular A, B, C, particular A, B, C. Very first transaction in your capital account must be by balance brought down. It must be your very first transaction. Right, we'll record previous balances of A and B, means old partners, and transfer new partners capital through cash or bank account. After that, credit all incomes like IOC, salary or commission, revaluation account, and debit drawings, interest on drawings, and very last transaction must be, yes, what will be the last entry? Carried down. To balance carried down. Always keep in mind, after carried down, after writing to balance carried down, will never record any other transaction. It must be your last transaction, right? Before brought down and after carried down will never record anything. Then balance sheet. We'll prepare balance sheet in a normal format: liabilities, amount, assets, amount, and transfer capitals including new partners capital and other liabilities. Transfer all assets according to revised values, means market value, right? And do balance. It must be, yes, it must be equal. Total of both columns must be equal. Now what about working notes? If the question says, yes, only journal. If the question says prepare journal, then we'll record all transactions in entry form as solution. But if in the question We need to prepare ledger. Ledger means revaluation account and partners capital account and journal entries. Then which entries will be called? Entries related to premium for goodwill, right? Then distribution of reserves, goodwill or profit and loss. And one more working note must be there, that is, yes, yes, workman compensation reserve and cal calculation of new PSR, new profit sharing ratio, or sacrificing gaining ratio according to the requirement of our question, right? So proper working notes must be there, right? As entries will show two entries related to new partners admission. First, cash to capital to premium, and second one, premium to old partners. Then if there is any entry, any transaction related to WCR, then we also show this reserves in entry format, and distribution of all previous reserves, previous goodwills or profits or advertisement suspense account, all must be there in your working note. In this manner, we can complete our sum for 8 marks.